Hello and welcome to Earn US Dollars From Anywhere. Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing. Please like and share this video with your friends and families. I want to talk to you today about passive income and how you can leverage other people's money. Earn now while saving for the future. Make sure you have something for retirement. That dream house, that dream car, that vacation that you have always wanted, whatever it may be, passive income is the way to go. Passive income is the ability to create financial stability and freedom, allowing you to earn money while focusing on other things or enjoying what you love most. This is what truly gives you your freedom back, as it enables you to break away from the traditional cycle of trading time for money. A great example of passive income is making a one-time investment in something that continuously generates revenue for you over time. This is where BitNext comes in. The key is to find a system that allows you to set it up once and then reap the benefits repeatedly with minimal ongoing efforts. Now, let's talk about how you can earn passive income online with BitNext. You get to set up with only $100 US, and then you wait for 2 years to receive a lump sum of $21,500 US. The part here is the waiting part. The waiting part for 2 years. 2 years is not much. You don't wait too long. And when I say the years go by so fast, it does. And 2 years is not a lot of time to wait. So therefore, the waiting part is just that's what you have to do, and the $100 to activate a contract. So when you receive your $21,500 at the end of the contract, it's a win-win for you and the bank, right? So everybody wins. And it's an automated project that runs itself. You can set it and forget it, only needing to check in on it weekly or even monthly. You can check in on it like daily as well, or every other day. It's up to you. So while focusing on other projects of your life, by taking the time to establish other income sources, you are essentially buying back your time, allowing you to live life on your own terms while still generating wealth in the background. Or in the meantime, you can promote BitNext and make an income while waiting for the lump sum payout at the end of the 2 years. It's totally up to you, but it's not a must. And this is how I was able to pay a $100 fee to secure a loan from the bank, which then allowed me to start with either $3,200 or $4,200. It's $32,000 or $42,000, depending on the contracts, how many years, as my initial investment. So from that point, I was able to start earning big from day one without having to do any additional work. The beauty of this opportunity is that you don't have to spend time learning complex strategies or managing every detail yourself, because the experts and the digital platform provided and handle all the work for you. It's essentially a set it and forget it system where your contract starts working for you immediately, generating passive income without requiring constant oversight. This approach not only saves time but also removes the stress of handling or managing anything at all, or actively trading your time for money. By leveraging automation and expert management, you can focus on other important aspects of your life while you wait for the contract to end. So there you have it. And to learn more about this project, look in the description and click the link to take you to all the info you need to know about BitNext, and to get started as soon as possible before the time passes you by. People are getting paid, and people have gotten paid in the past, and people are still getting paid, and this could be you. So click the link in the description or the pinned comment and see for yourself where you could be in 2 years from now. And thank you for stopping by. Thank you again for subscribing. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye for now.